Hi friends, welcome to my Realtor channels. In this video, I am going to explain about the recent market updates regarding real estate and budget special news, and also I would like to share some details about the real estate market regarding the commercial properties and all, and some investment tips for the investors who are looking for the better returns. So the agenda or the main motive of this video will be analysis reports earlier what we have given, and we have to do a post-mortem on those analysis, and budget special, Indian markets, Hyderabad markets, and finally I am going to conclude regarding the overall market scenario, and some more offers will be there in the end of the video. And also I would like to share some tips for the investors who want good returns, and some tips how to minimize your losses in the investment, how to how to get more return in your investment. Last time I have done an analysis on Brookfield REITs, you might remember, and in this video I have mentioned that the subscription might be around 5 to 15% and the listing gains around 3 to 5%, and as per my analysis the same thing happened in the market. It has a subscription up to 8 times around. So can you see here the proof what we have given, it happened in the market. Okay, always we have a good analysis and good advice for our clients. Those people who want to invest in REITs and all can contact me. I can give a good plan and investment strategy for them, and it depends upon their budget and risk profile. And you can mention in the comment if you want any more advice for the REITs. And again I told that for the budget we have analyzed that we were expecting some good changes or good support from the government regarding these factors in my January 2021 real estate update video. I have mentioned that section 80 EA may have extension or may have extra benefit also, and I have mentioned regarding affordable houses segment, and I have mentioned the government efforts for the Make in India products. Same thing happened in the budget. You can check with the budget news. And for the builders who is in affordable house segment, they are getting tax holiday for this year, and GST input taxes and other things may be decided in the March GST council meeting. People who don't have any idea on affordable houses and segment, I am just giving a brief idea on this factor. Those people who want to buy a 45 lakhs property, they can get a tax benefit of 2 lakhs under section 24B. And with COVID problems, government have given another benefit for the section 80 EA, so that beyond this 2 lakh, again one can afford to get this thing 1.5 lakhs tax benefit for the home purchase below 45 lakhs. From last August and September 2020, I have confirmed that the real estate prices or the construction prices may hike, and because of the steel prices and cement prices, the prices of some residential projects and villa projects have changed from 15 to 20%, and some villa projects also stopped the sales because of the price differences and all, and the labor cost also high in the market. So there is a huge gap in the prices in the market. People expected that after COVID the prices may fall to down or something, but beyond that imagination the prices came to new high. So this is another factor I have recommended earlier. You might remember this point. Regarding Delhi market, we have a very brief details like this. Because of the government rate cuts or the circle rates up to 20%, the real estate sales went to new high, and the commercial have a new leasing agreements, but there is no scope or hope for the price hike in Delhi markets. For Bombay market, it is same as last month updates only. You can refer that video. For Hyderabad, we have a very good news compared to previous time, and we have a good announcement for the regional ring road, and we have approval for the regional ring road from the central government. It may take some 10 years for the completion of this project, 5 to 10 years. And because of this project, mostly Sangareddy, Chautapul, Sadnagar may get good importance and good growth compared to other areas. Bibinagar and Kartal have a lesser impact for the growth compared to other previous areas. Another good news is for the Infosys, and it is for East Hyderabad, Gatkeswar. So Infosys is planning for another facility or the campus up to 15 floors, and planning to give 20,000 jobs. So it was a good news for the East Hyderabad. And meanwhile, Qualcomm is a USA based mobile related company, and they have leased up to 1.6 million square feet in Raheja IT Park in Hyderabad. So it is a good news for the commercial real estate. And meanwhile, we have got another confirmation that we are going to have around 8 million square feet sales or the leasing agreements in 2021 or around. So we have a huge demand for the commercial real estate compared to previous time. Another news is that a Singapore-based company is investing 600 CR in Hyderabad, and many mother of NRIs are interested to invest in Hyderabad, and mostly they prefer 40% in commercials, 30-40% in residential, 20% in the plots. Here one can see the difference between 2019 and 2020. We can see the vacancy is 7.2 in 2019 and 12%. It's a problem with the COVID situation, but it's not a bad thing compared to other areas or other factors. So after some time it may be normal, and it's not a big issue for the commercial real estate. And we can compare with the absorption ratio. So we have a huge demand because of the construction delay. We couldn't able to give the absorption. So after some time, we are expecting that there will be a good scope for the commercial real estate sales. And here another article which shows that we have a good pre-commitment, means the before completion of the project we have a good sales or the commitment for the leasing and the sale. Hyderabad is the top city for the commercial real estate in India. We can see the pre-commitment ratio is 100% in Hyderabad compared to any other area. I have recommended some few projects. They got some pre-commitments already. And you can compare the absorption and the sales recovery ratio compared to any other city. Hyderabad have a better completion and absorption, and it has a growth up to 145 compared to other cities. Once Bangalore is the top city, but now Hyderabad is having good growth compared to previous 4 years. So that's a good factor for the Hyderabad investors. And this is a myth like that. So many people think that commercial property or commercial real estate is just for the IT industry or something. Repeatedly I told that commercial property or commercial space doesn't mean for IT company. Earlier also, before COVID situation also, we have 56% for the IT based companies, but now it went to 39% for the IT companies. And but now the major tenants will be e-commerce, banking and other sector. We can compare the e-commerce from 1% to 16% in last 3 quarters. So this is the market scenario. So we have to think on this point, because many people are thinking just because of IT factor only they are thinking, but nowadays IT is only just 40% of the commercial real estate. So we can't predict like that. We can't assume with the work from home will affect for the commercial space or not, because of the new scenario in the market. Because major of the non-IT companies are not allowing for the work from home, only IT company may allow for the work from home. So this will add on a factor for the commercial real estate and its future. And if you compare with the vacancy is almost 12.8% to 14%, which is not a big problem for the commercial real estate. It's a very ordinary thing for the commercial real estate in normal market also. We can expect a good future in next 2-3 years. One more good news for the rental seekers. For the 2020, we don't have any reduction of the discount in the rental program, and we have a stable rental, and we have a good future for the rental income. So nothing to worry or nothing to bother about the problems or the pandemic situations. We have a good rental income for a long time. And this is the article from a Telugu paper. Many people thinking that the work from home will be lifelong or something, but it is not a factor. Majority people are not interested for the work from home concept, and so it's a mixed strategy or mixed interest from IT sector. So anyway, it will take some time to get a clarity on this point. But anyway, we have a huge demand for the different other industries, and even IT industry also planning for more development in this segment or in Hyderabad. So nothing to worry about the 50% population or the 50% employment for the commercial real estate segment. And always we have a good portfolio and better result compared to market, because we have a portfolio suggestion like this: 100% ROI in 3 years or 50% ROI in bear market. And if it is a market in some problematic or it is in a downtrend, we have a 50% ROI. And always we suggest a property which have a easy resale and better options. Our customer is able to get some better options into the market, like unlike just buying the property or something. We have a buyback policy, we have a rental system, and we have other strategies for our investors who want to create wealth with us. And we always do a research on past performance, and we do a research for the future analysis. Many people only check the past performance, but we have a policy to check the future analysis, whether the company or the builder or the project have a good potential or not. That's our policy to check it. So here I am going to share some common mistakes and common tips for the investors who want to create a good return in the investments or the commercial properties. Always they don't have a good calculation for the ROI. Some people invest in the project, they don't know when it will be a double or when it will give 100%. Usually the 100% should be in 3 years, but some people are invested in project where the 100% return will be in 5 to 6 years time. So if you are getting 100% in 5 to 6 year times, why should you invest in a commercial or a freelance project? You can invest same in bank or land. So that is our policy to give a better analysis reports to our clients. And some people prefer the locations which have a bad resale or which have a less appreciation value compared to other areas. So that is our role to give a better location for your property investments. And wrong promoters, because of the many factors the promoter may fail in future, and because of the many things we can't trust everyone. So we have to do a filtration, we have to do a investigation on the promoter side, we should have a regular update regarding the promoter so that our investors can be safe with the investments. So it is our policy and it's our duty to give a good service to our investors who want a good return. But some people are just expecting good price and something they just dumped with some builders. They got stuck with their project which was already delayed for 2 3 years. Again the project may delay for another 3 4 years. So altogether they have to wait for 5 to 7 years without any return. So you have to take care of all these factors. If you are our customer, if you believe with us, we will take care of all these things and we will help you to get the return, and we will help you during the problematic times. So that is our responsibility. Many people contact me for the help or get the information from wrong investments. We can't give any support if you done investment by directly, or if you done something by your own choice. So we can't give any help or update for your investments. So we can help you if you come with us only, if you invest with us only. So that's our policy. And wrong time is another very important factor. Many people are not taking any action when it is a right time. When there is a discount in the market in 2020 June, I have recommended many people to invest, but many people didn't believe me, they have didn't invested. But the price discount is very good in June July 2020, but now the prices were changed a lot. Now they have a loss up to 60% growth within last 5 to 6 months. So investing in the right time, investing with our advisor is always a recommendable thing for the good return. So another factor I can advise some people taking too much time for decision. In this decision time they are losing the price appreciation. So some people who started their searching for property at 5,000 rupees per square feet, now they are buying at rupees 6,000 rupees or rupees 6,500 rupees per square feet with paying high amount compared to the previous amount. So this is the logical mistake what they are doing. And these are the offers we have right now. We have offered for the Kondapur I have recommended since last 4 months. We have recommended 3,500 rupees around. Right now market price for the pre-launch investment is 4,000 rupees in the market. Still we have a good price in the market. For the retail price it is 6,500 rupees. We have a very limited flats for this investment option. If you are interested, you can contact as early as possible for the booking and closing. And commercial real estate, we have a good analysis and we have good products in the entire market segment. We have a good options too, because you can invest for long term, you can invest for short term, you can invest for the buyback, we can get a rental income. We have a different properties and we have a different types also. So almost all properties are pre-launch stage only. So if you are interested for the commercial property which give highest return in the market, you can contact us. We can give a good advice for the commercial real estate. Similarly, we have some commercial property in Mumbai which is a fractional investment, means it's a kind of demat account based investment. You can invest in the commercial property up to minimum 25 lakhs with a good rental income in the market. The tenant is ICICI Bank. So if you are interested in this product, you can approach me or you can comment in the comment box. I can contact. So ROI based investment. So beyond all regular products, we have some ROI product and extra investment advisory. Those people who are interested in our services and our products and who want travel with for a long time, we have a good products demo for them. So please contact with your budget and all. We can give advice for you. And if you have any doubts or if you have any comment on this video, please mention in the comment and let me know if you have any interest in new products. And please try to share this video to your friends and circles. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being our customer. Thank you. If you like the content, please like it and please share for your friends and please subscribe for more updates from our channel.